Namaste children. This video is for class 9, subject computer, chapter 8, topic openoffice.org Impress part 1 video. Children, I welcome you all for today's computer class. Children, in this chapter you are going to learn about importance of Impress, how to start, save, open and close Impress, about the interface of the window, how to work with slides and how to do editing and formatting, working with templates and how to view presentation. In the previous chapter, you have learnt about Writer. Using Writer, you can create letters, newsletters, brochures, reports. Isn't it, children? If you want to display or introduce, or if you want to launch, unveil. What do you mean by unveil, children? If you want to show or announce publicly a topic or any concept to the audience, what you have to do? You have to create presentation. In order to create a presentation, you require some application, isn't it? So with the help of Impress or PowerPoint, you can make an effective and interesting presentation. What is Impress? Impress is one of the application of openoffice.org. Using Impress, you can create presentation. So a presentation is a compilation of pages called slides. So Impress is a truly outstanding tool for creating an effective multimedia presentation. Multimedia in the sense you can add audio, video, text, animation. What do you mean by animation, children? Giving a movement to an object, that is animation. So you can add 3D graphics, you can insert bullets and numberings, you can also format the text, you can insert tables, charts, video links and sound. Steps to create an Impress presentation. To make an Impress presentation, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Select way to start your presentation. Children, in Impress, there are several ways to create presentation. You can go ahead with empty presentation or from template. What do you mean by template, children? Template means pre-designed one, already designed one. So as per your requirement, either you can select empty presentation or else you can go ahead with from template. After selecting the way to start your presentation, you can create these slides. After creating these slides, you can customize the presentation by rearranging them. You can also edit them. In order to attract the audience, you can format your presentation. Adding illustration to slides means you can write the information. You can also add special graphics using Impress sophisticated drawing tools, as well as you can add animation effect. Viewing slideshow. With Impress sophisticated tool, you can create an on-screen electronic presentation called slideshow. Means complete with TV like special effects and transition and with sound. Children, let me give the tips to create an effective presentation. Know your audience. So knowing your audience is one of the most important consideration. You should be aware whether your audience are familiar with the concept or not, what they are expecting and how many people are going to view your presentation. So you should be aware of all these things so that this will help you to design a structured presentation. Keep it simple. Don't mess up with lots of information or else don't display less information. Let it be simple and clear. Use space efficiently. Give proper spacing, children, so that it will be easy for your audience to understand. Balance the information. Don't include too much of information or graphic. Ensure the proper balance of text and images. Use text judiciously. Make use of one or two fonts. Don't use too many different sizes of characters. Use colors judiciously. Use only a few colors. Avoid colors that clash with each other. Say for example, if you are giving a green color background, again don't format the text with green color font. Let us see how to start Impress. Click Start button so that Start menu screen appears. Type Impress in search text box. Click on OpenOffice Impress in the result pane, or else click on openoffice.org icon on desktop and select Presentation. Children, now practically let us see how to start Impress. So double click this OpenOffice icon. Now could you able to see the screen, children? In this, could you able to see the presentation? This is the icon of Impress. So double click this. Now could you able to see this presentation wizard? Here, as per your requirement, either you can select empty presentation or else you can select from template. What do you mean by template, children? Template means pre-designed one, already designed one. If you want to open an existing presentation, you can select open existing presentation and you can select open. Children, now practically let us see how to create an empty presentation. Could you able to see this presentation wizard? Select the empty presentation and could you able to see this next button? Click onto this next button. In the second screen, could you able to see this select a design, slide design? So in this drop down list, select the presentation background. So Impress provides you 25 types of presentation background. So if you want to create a blank presentation, you can give original, or else if you want to give a colorful background, you can select any of the required background. Select any of the required background and you can give next. And in the third screen, could you able to see this, children? Select a slide transition. What do you mean by transition? Between one slide to another slide, you can give a special visual effect that is called transition. So under this select a slide transition, could you able to see this effect and speed? So you can give effect. You can select any of the required effect and you can also see the preview. So like this you can see the preview, children. Say for example, you can select wheel clockwise. So like this you can select any of the effect and you can see the preview, and even you can also set the speed as slow, medium, fast. Here also you can see the preview. Also you can select the presentation type as default or automatic, and finally you can click on create button. So like this you can create an empty presentation. Children, in the next class we will see about the interface of the window, how to work with slides and how to do editing and formatting. That's all for today's class. Thank you, children. Keep smiling.